Not gonna lie, I think it's still safe to actually follow the manual, even though usually I don't really read that. Okay, first of all, you got a globe, then you have this chrome plate, you have this chrome plate. So I got a E14, and all you need to do is put on the globe and just screw them over. Alright, it's all done. Let's see how it looks when it's lit up. I hope it's not too bright. I prefer a more diffused look for this kind of light. Yeah, to be honest, it's still kind of bright for a small globe like this, but I think it's fine. I think it looks acceptable. I mean, small little details which I'm not gonna nitpick for the value I pay for this, but it's still great. Probably gonna ask, why do you need so many lights in the room? I just love decorative lights. I like a lot of them. To be honest, not a lot of Ikea lamp is perfect, but there's only a few of them that I really like, so this is one of them. The name is called Simri Shamin. I give up. Not gonna try, but it's a chrome lamp like this. Next will be one of this Canaravic. Okay, I bought two of them because it's really rather small. It's yellow. It's a very happy color. I mean, I've been loving all the primary color for my room aesthetic for quite a while now, so that's the reason why I picked this. Let's follow the manual. You know, I love the yellow. It's very vibrant. A simple side table where you only got 6 pieces to assemble. To be honest, there's no way I can go wrong for this. Okay, one done, another one to go. Guys, these are all done. These 2 side table with a vibrant yellow. Yes, let me show you guys where they're gonna be located at. You see the mesh down here? So they will be gone. The 2 side table will be there. I'll put my camera, some accessories there, so to keep the whole space a bit more neat with this vibrant side table. Let us carry on with the other installation. Okay, finally the shelf is done, and I hate doing the shelf the most. I mean, hate the mess, hate the dust, hate the debris and stuff. But I mean, I always needed a shelf there, so hope it's good. Let me clean up now.